Hey guys, so welcome to the end of this week, and as promised there is a new look haul today because it's Monday today, and I've got a whole lot of editing in front of me to do for those videos because they take twice as long to edit for me because I don't do that much editing to begin with, but with the added other screen there's some more stuff to do. But today is new look haul day, so you've seen the week of me looking at stuff. I should have filmed the process of looking through this stuff, but it wasn't over a day period. There's also one present in here for someone else, but the grand total of this bag was £60 and I got 6 items, but I'll confirm that to you momentarily. This is the bag. It's so big it doesn't fit in the frame. That's when you know you've ordered too much. So as it's an unboxing, I've got these little tiny scissors. Let's get straight on into it, shall we? Is there a perforated edge? No. It's nice when there is, because then you can just unperforate it. But this you have to cut. Oh, it's all falling out. Let's have a little look and delve in. I'm just going to pick stuff off the top. The first thing I picked up is this, and this is actually the gift. Can I find my receipt first though? Did I do that? Yes, here we go. So the total price was £60.49. That included a £2.99 express delivery in-store next day delivery. And there is 6 things. So that makes every item about £10. But one of the items is not for me, it's a present for my sister, which I'm not going to get out because I might want to keep in the bag. And it's a grey shawl collar cable K. I think that means knit. And it's a cardigan basic, and it's £24.99. So something that came out of the bag straight away with that item is this, and this is a pair of shorts. Here we go. Oh, okay. These are the shorts. They're very short. They were originally £22.99, but I can tell you today I got them for £7, I think it was, because I bought 2 pairs of shorts. I know it's autumn, I know, but thinking ahead for next year, and I really liked these when they were full price because they're shorter than the average short, and they look like this. They aren't completely black. It doesn't say what. No, they say they're black pinstripe, but because they're white and black makes it kind of grey. They look black on the camera, but I assure you they're grey. They've got a weight to them as well, which is weird. This bit at the front is weighty, but they're fairly short, as you can see. So I will be trying all of these things on. So these are the black pinstripe shorts, because they look black from far, but when you're close they're not that black, they're kind of grey. Yeah, so these are those. I like these. These have got more, can you see? More of a give in these than the jersey ones did, so they're more comfortable, and they're obviously not jersey. They are, oh look at that, I didn't notice that. Very stretchy, but they look skinny, so I like that. They're not as short as I thought they'd be. I thought they'd be here, but I can imagine when you sit down they're going to be up here. But I thought they were going to be up here, looking at the models, but models are they were probably taller than me. So these are kind of more respectable in length, but there's quite remember when you were at school you had to have 2 fingers above, well, girls have to have their skirts no more than 2 fingers or 2 fingers above or 2 fingers below. And this is a hand. So not school appropriate, but we're not going to school anymore, so it's fine. Yeah, like these, and they're good for £7. This is different from what I thought it was. Okay, maybe it was pink stripe. I thought I was just buying a pink shirt, but it's pink stripe. But we'll have a look. And nonetheless, I don't have a pink stripe shirt. You probably are not going to pick it up on the camera, but it has got, I know it's not in focus, I don't think you'll see it. It's like pink pinstriped short sleeves shirt, and this was in, I got it in extra small. Those trousers I got were 30, size 30. These were originally this was originally $19.99. I got it for a £5, so that's like a good amount off, and it's muscle fit. Now I haven't got any muscles, but we're gonna try that on and see. Okay, this is gonna have to go back. I can't, it's muscle fit, so it's got stretch in it, but like I can't wear that. Can I? That's ridiculous, isn't it? I keep putting my arm in, I have to do this. Yeah. I mean, who even, if you're muscular, you wouldn't be able to fit in an extra small like this anyway. It is very stretchy though. I mean, but I am bulging out of it. Jesus Christ. Maybe if I lost like a lot of weight I could wear it. I'm sucking in. I'm sucking in right now. But oh my god. I mean, the arms are nice. They're fine. But it's a no. Wow. Can you imagine? I can't. My jeans are up here as well. I could tuck it in with that tucked in like that. It's like quite loose up here, but this is not happening. What is that? I don't remember ordering a jacket. Did I? I did. I completely forgot what I'd ordered. Even though, so I got next day delivery, but because I ordered it after 6 PM on a Friday, it didn't come till a Monday, which is still quick, but cut-off's a bit early in my liking. So I bought this Harrington jacket. How much was this, please? £8 instead of £24.99. I got it in an extra small, and it's just navy Harrington jacket with poppers. Oh my god, they're strong. There we go. With 2 poppers at the top. It's just navy with pockets. I bet the arms will be too long for me because arms are always too long. Has it got an inside pocket? That's what I like in a coat, is to have an inside pocket. I don't think we do. We don't have an inside pocket, which is disappointing. But £8, you can't go wrong really. Okay, so here is the Harrington jacket on, actually, it's kind of nice. It's not too long in the arm. Sorry, I keep looking here. This is where my camera is. So rather than looking in here, I'm looking there. But it's quite nice. It's an extra small. The arms come here, but I mean, when you do that, you don't want them to ride up your arms, so that's kind of okay. There is no inside pockets, which is a bit disappointing, but it's got pockets here, obviously. And does it do up? Not that I would ever wear it done up, but it does do up if you want it to do up. But I would always wear it just open casually like this. So yeah, like that. Next is this item, and this is another pair of shorts. I know it's not really an autumn haul, but I liked these items, and these ones in particular would be more for wearing around the house, although they're like smart-ish. They're originally $22.99, I got them for £7. They look like this. They're quite short again, and yeah, they feel very nice and soft. They are a stretchy, they're like sweatshirt material, so they're like sweatpant material. Got these in a size 30. I got that Harrington jacket in an extra small as well. So yeah, those are those. So these are the jersey shorts. You can see how short they are. They're not as short as I thought they might be, like boxer showing short, but they are short, that is for sure, but this is what they look like. A 30 waist in New Look is not, it's so annoying. Like, there is give there, that is fine, but like in some places, like Bershka's 30 is bigger, but I'll be keeping those because they're quite comfortable. They're like stretchy, and they'll be good for around the house if anything else, or if nothing else, whatever the word I'm looking for. Wow, okay, this is the last thing. This is a pair of jeans. Interesting way of wrapping it. It looks like they've already been opened. I don't understand why they've been wrapped in a bow, but there we go. We'll undo the bow to release the jeans. Now these were £8 instead of £24.99, I believe. Is there a price anywhere? Yeah, instead of £24.99. And they look like jeans. They're probably going to be way too long for me. They're in super skinny stretch apparently. 30, 32. That is going to be too long. But on the website it literally didn't have, it just had 30. So what I might do is might cut them, because I normally end up rolling them up anyway. There's a little bit of a stretch. Now these I wanted to buy because I wanted another pair of this like colour jean that aren't distressed with like big rips in the middle, because I really like my Bershka ones, but they've got a massive stretch like hole in the middle, which they're meant to have, but I wanted ones that don't. So yeah, I'll be trying those on. So these are the jeans on. They are quite tight in the thing a little bit, and you can see how long they are, but I could just roll them up, or I could cut them. I might cut them because they were £8, so I'm not too fussed about them, but I wanted to be like quite high up, like there, and my Bershka ones are a little loose round the middle, and I want to wear them with like t-shirts like this, like quite 90s, or is that 80s, I don't know, but yeah, that's how they look on. I've just scrunched up the ends, but I might cut them, or just might cut them, or just might roll them up. Haven't decided yet, but they are snug fit. They do, like, you can do this, look. There is stretch in them. They're not like completely uncomfortable. Never had New Look jeans before, so whew, that was everything in that haul. 6 items, one for not for me, £60, fairly good. So thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope you guys are all well. If you've not already, please subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Bye!